Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi plans to challenge the 2019 defamation case verdict in a higher court. What happened yesterday, remember? Rahul Gandhi was convicted and later received a bail in the 2019 defamation case, where his legal team will now challenge the conviction before the Sessions Court in Gujarat. Parallelly, there would be a legal team that will also move the Supreme Court if disqualification proceedings are initiated against him. A plea before the Supreme Court will seek a stay on the disqualification in the Wayanad seat from where he's a Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, if that is declared vacant by the Election Commission. According to sources, Congress will hold an opposition meeting on Friday to prepare a contingency plan as well as a demonstration if required in Delhi. This is the grand old party, remember, seeking an appointment now with the President if Rahul Gandhi faces any sort of disqualification within the Parliament. Rahul Gandhi's conviction has raised a political slugfest in the country. This, remember, over the defamation case over the Modi surname. The Congress says this is trampling democratic rights.
कि कल 10 बजे को हमारे जो विपक्ष के नेता हैं राज्यसभा में और कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी विपक्ष की पार्टियों को बुलाए हैं। कल 10 बजे उनके साथ बैठक होगी। 11:30 या 12 बजे सारे विपक्ष के सांसद विजय चौक तक चलेंगे, प्रदर्शन करेंगे। दोपहर को हमने सभी विपक्ष के पार्टियों की ओर की तरफ से हमने राष्ट्रपति जी से समय मांगा है। सोमवार को दिल्ली में और अलग अलग राज्यों में प्रदर्शन होगा इस मुद्दे को लेकर। ये सिर्फ एक कानूनी मुद्दा नहीं है, ये एक बहुत गंभीर राजनीतिक मुद्दा भी है।
राहुल गांधी जी कोई घबराने वाले व्यक्ति नहीं है। ये झूठे मुकदमे लाद करके उनके मनोबल को तोड़ नहीं सकते हैं, बल्कि और उनका मनोबल मजबूत हो रहा है। कांग्रेस का मनोबल और मजबूत हो रहा है। आज देश भर में लाखों लोग सड़क में निकले हैं, लोकतांत्रिक ताकतें सड़क में निकली हैं। इसीलिए हम सब लोग भी यहाँ हाथ से हाथ जोड़ों के साथ कह रहे हैं, राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद, राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद, राहुल गांधी जिंदाबाद।
गैर भाजपाई नेताओं को या भाजपा के खिलाफ कोई भी व्यक्ति, चाहे किसी भी प्रोफेशन का हो, अगर सच बोलता है, उनको आईना दिखाता है, तो षड्यंत्र रच के किसी न किसी तरीके से कार्रवाई करवाई जाती है। कांग्रेस के सभी साथी, सभी रीजनल पार्टी जो भी इनके वैचारिक विरोधी हैं, सभी लोगों को देर नहीं करना चाहिए। एक होकर के मजबूती के साथ लड़ाई लड़ने की जरूरत है।
So India today then spoke to senior advocates of the country to try and understand what is this Rahul's disqualification scare, what could it mean for the Congress Member of Parliament. Here's more.
Statute law says that he has a 3-month window, right? But Lily Thomas in 2013, there's a judgment which makes disqualification immediate, right? On the very day. They've actually struck down 8-4. A 2-judge bench of the Supreme Court has struck down section 8-4 and said that it's not up to Parliament to postpone the date of disqualification, which 8-4 of the Representation of People's Act does. So it says that the disqualification is immediate, and the only way you can save yourself from that is by going to the appellate court and getting a stay on conviction, not even sentence.
The sentence is concerned, he'll have to file an appeal and obviously get an order reversing this judgment. Otherwise, he will have to undergo the imprisonment. But as far as his membership to the Parliament is concerned, under the Representation of People Act itself, there is a provision which makes it clear that this sentence will not affect into disqualification for a period of 3 months. And if he files an appeal within that period of 3 months, then that disqualification will not take effect till the decision in the appeal. So, really speaking, I don't see any scenario where his membership to the Parliament will have any problem.
So here's what happened. Hours after the Surat court announced a 2-year jail term for Congress MP Rahul Gandhi over the 2019 remarks that allegedly hurt the sentiments of the Modi community, focus has now shifted to his disqualification, probably from the Parliament. While the BJP claims Rahul Gandhi is fit to be disqualified from the House, it's for the Speaker now to take the final call. Here's a report of what happened and what does it mean for the future of Rahul Gandhi in politics.
कई ऐसे भी प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करप्शन एक्ट है, होर्डिंग है, भारत के प्रतीकों का अपमान है, उसमें आपको सजा कुछ भी हो, लेकिन आप डिस्क्वालीफाई होंगे.
Rahul Gandhi's jail sentence in a defamation case has put his parliament membership under a cloud. Section 8, subsection 3 of the Representation of the People's Act says a lawmaker can be disqualified if sentenced to a jail term of 2 years or more in any case. This means Rahul Gandhi attracts disqualification from the Lok Sabha unless the sentencing is stayed by a higher court. But since the Surat court has itself suspended the sentence for 30 days, how will that impact Rahul's membership?
When the court itself suspends the sentence for a certain period, logically we can say that the disqualification also is suspended. Now he can go to, so his membership remains as per this logic.
The Representation of the People Act initially had a section provided for a pause on disqualification for 3 months, during which an appeal against the conviction can be filed before a higher court. But in a landmark 2013 ruling, the Supreme Court struck down Section 8, subsection 4 of the RPA as unconstitutional. If disqualified, Rahul Gandhi could also face a bar on contesting elections for 8 years. Bureau Report, India Today.